Alright, welcome back, Sky Kingdom's weather. I hope everyone's doing well today. I know we have a lot to talk about, and especially part of this monster hurricane, you guys. This is truly a complete monster storm here. 92, yeah, welcome. Welcome. Alright, so welcome back, everybody. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning into the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please like, please subscribe. We got some breaking news, you guys. We got Genevieve here on the verge of being a Category 5 hurricane. We are waiting for the latest updates, but wow. What a storm for sure, you guys. That we are seeing a true Category 5 potential on our hands here. So I'm going to quickly change the satellite presentation on the thumbnail here. This is the latest satellite imagery I got from this storm, and just an amazing look here of Genevieve here, an absolute bomb here that is underway. So if you guys are new to the channel, I would like you guys to please subscribe and like and share. If you guys have any questions, please let me know here. We are also going to be taking a look at 92C also. So let me quickly add that into the title. We're going to add things here. So, you said we got a tropical storm, right? Let me quickly go do that here. Let me go check that out. So, I'm going to quickly do that here right now. Wow. This storm is getting a CDO of perfect. We are probably going to start seeing some pinks here, you guys, very soon. D-Max is beginning. And I'm going to tell you guys this right now. If we get a shades of 80+ degree cloud tops, we are likely going to be on the fringes of a rapidly intensifying Category 5. I mean, right now, this looks like a definition of a Category 5, but it is not, according to the National Hurricane Center. I do have windy.com just in case if we do get some lightning strikes here. Looks like we've been dealing with some lightning strikes. Not a lot, but you do see some scattered lightning strikes that happened every like 5 minutes around the eye wall where we do get here. I'm waiting a true lightning like Melissa. Melissa was very lightning-ish. But if you have lightning that much, that's when you are near 190 miles an hour. Clearly, this is not there at all and probably will never even get close to there. But let me just quickly take a look here of the satellite presentation here. And let me take a look here of the East Pacific. I just want to take a look for, oh, so there's been lightning. There's been lightning. This updates every little bit. There has been lightning in the eye wall in every like 5 to 10 minutes here. This is what it looks like on visible. Let me quickly do that. Yeah, right there. Look at that, you guys. We are definitely having quite a bit of lightning strikes. Look at that CDO that has developed. Very, 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 very nice CDO. Up, and we have Tropical Storm 12 now. This is going to be rapidly intensifying too. Here in just... Alright, let me quickly do that. We're going to go here. I'm VC calling. You think Genevieve will be bad? Will be more than... Yes, I do. Yes. So if you guys are new to the channel, yeah, I do believe it will be worse. I'm going to quickly go into here. And let me just quickly. And Genevieve will.
Hello.
All right. You can. Yep. Okay. Let me share my screen here.
I was doing my own thing. I literally could not sleep last night, so I just pulled an all-nighter.
Interesting.
But, yeah.
Do you
What are your
want to?
thoughts on this?
It is on the verge, man. It is. What happened here? Oh. It is on the verge of a Category 5 for sure.
I think it will reach it now.
Let me take a look at this quickly. The latest. All right, so they have updated. The current intensity on satellite now shows the millibar pressure is once again dropped another millibar. It says we're at 928.5. Before this was at 929.5. 132.2 knots. So continuing to inch up there with a raw T of 6.9 and a final of 6.7. So it is continuing to climb. I was getting some reports here of the structure, and yikes. The structure.
We're in Demon right now.
We are going. No, we just started D-Max. Just started.
What?
Yeah.
It's usually before sunrise. What?
Yeah, but yes, D-Max is. That's the peak of D-Max. Is right before sunrise.
But we're going into sunset. We're going towards D-Max.
Yeah, we're going to be going towards D-Max.
Yeah, I thought you said.
One thing that really worries me here. What?
Yeah. I thought you said we were in D-Max. I was like, what?
No, not fully yet. But one thing that worries me as we are heading into D-Max, if you look in the mesoscale and just watch it, we are starting to see the -80 cloud tops once again wrap around. And it looks like we could be getting a CDO of pink very soon. And if we can get a CDO like we did with Melissa with a CDO of pink, I heard some things about Melissa in this here. Let me go quickly to the Discord. I got some things that was sent to me. I don't know if you saw them. You probably did. Let me just quickly go into here. Let me go. Do you have the latest microwave imagery? Or is it the same one from what they put in the chat?
Not sure. Though, let me check.
Did someone send this privately to me? I'm asking LT.
They missed it. They missed it. It's not a new one.
What about the other one? Just send it to me if you could. Triple P show. Yeah, the Triple P show had it. On their thing. Let me quickly.
I feel like the structure, like the CDO and I, reminds me of like Matthew a little. I'm not sure why. And I mean the later stages. Well, not later, but mid stages.
Give me 1 second. I'm taking a look at all the chats here. Oh, this is in general. I think this was in my general. I don't know why.
Yeah. Matthew and this actually have some stuff in common. The CDO is similar.
Really? I don't know.
Look at my screen if you can. You see a resemblance?
1 second. Wait, 1 second. But the thing is, what about the microwave imagery? Because someone did brought out how, yeah, here it is. Look, my friend, this is the latest. Look at that. What does this CDO remind you of? It reminds everyone of Melissa CDO. And I was talking to Tristan, and he did very good with Melissa, and he even spotted out in the beginning stages of the CDO that Melissa was pretty much impossible to do any eye wall replacement cycles because of how intense the CDO was, and with that pink convection. Because if you guys remember, this was the beginning of environment is the most moist. Genevieve will not be like 90. I hope not. Yeah, so this is the CDO that's looking. I am waiting on the next microwave imagery, but right there, this thing had no eye wall replacement cycles in sight. I would like to see if that did get any change. Even here, there was no eye wall replacement cycles in sight. A perfect wrap CDO, a very strong inner band here. And to be honest with you, with this, when this was taking at 724, oh, I didn't mean to do that. Are you still there? Let me quickly get the Discord back up. That was, what did I do here? Hello?
Hello.
Oh, you're still here.
Yes.
Another thing here is, let me quickly move this screen here. Oh, come on, why is this not? If you're listening right now, why is this so zoomed in? Okay. Let me go into here. Okay. Let me quickly, oh, okay, I got it, okay. This was the CDO from before, and Tristan did brought out about how this looked it like before. So this was at 734 around that time. We're currently at 1001. And if you look at the CDO back then, this was about when the microwave imagery was taken, about here. I think so, something like this. But look at it now. We have continued with that inner core rapidly. This is a little bit delayed, but this was about when that microwave imagery was taken. And look at this now. Yeah. Satellite imagery has just gotten really, really good. And I'm really keeping an eye out on the T if this does go up anymore. Because I am keeping an eye out on that. One thing that's really worrying me here is the increase of, once again, I want to see if we continue with an increase of lightning strikes. We do have lightning strikes, but it's every like 5 minutes we get a bunch, and then it kind of fizzles out. It's not consistent lightning, and Melissa was another type storm, but if you look at the latest CDO, you guys, look at it. Aggressively wrapping around here, gravity waves on all levels, and the eye is, let's take a look at the water temp eye here. No, okay, so Justin did say in the chat, no eye wall replacement cycle is in sight right now. So according to Justin right now, there is no eye wall replacement cycles in sight. The environment's so moist, yeah. Is it going to go on a eye wall replacement cycle? As of right now, according to everyone, is a no, and we usually do get some information on that if it does. So it is interesting. We are having just a continuing bomb of the CDO here. And when I mean bomb, I mean very impressive CDO that is continuing to develop, and especially on that northern side here. Let me quickly.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
I was getting water.
Yeah, so the CDO from Melissa to this is really starting to get the represents. And I do want to say, before we continue to keep an eye out on this, I just want to say, did the National Hurricane Center update yet?
I don't know. I don't think they have. I don't know. I haven't seen it.
No. I'm gonna wait for the next National Hurricane Center for their discussion because I want to see their description and their discussion. This was at 2 o'clock today, and they did say this still has another 12 to 24 hours of the best conditions, and this was at 2 o'clock. So we're at 10 o'clock. So how long has it been?
I'm getting called by them.
They had this peaking out in the next 24 hours. And this was as of 2 p.m. So we're probably still another 12 hours away from peak. 12 good hours, maybe a little longer, just depends. But right now, water temps are, this is the best conditions it's going to be in for the next good, at least another 6 hours. But I would say probably I want to see what the National Hurricane Center say on that. This CDO is what?
Even after, it still would have good conditions for like a short bit.
Yeah. I am keeping an eye out here on some things also. Once again, you guys, if you guys did not know, 92C did become a tropical cyclone, 1,002 millibars. And yeah, things are not looking good with 92C. This is, 12 now. The 12th storm now of the
Chris is
east.
calling us.
What?
Chrissy is calling us.
Someone said it has a face.
Like Matthew.
Yeah, but here's Tropical Cyclone here. This is Tropical Cyclone 12. And you do see they did now confirm it as a tropical storm. And basically, we have wrapping around convection. Here, we got a tight, aggressive spin here. Does look like it's a small tropical storm getting its act together. But believe it or not, looks like 12C could become a better looking storm than this one. So 12L. If you guys think it's bad, let me just say 12 has some very scary thoughts on it out in the
lack of
West
potential,
Pacific.
or like Cat 5 potential.
Yeah. I mean,
Bobby potential more so probably.
Yeah, definitely probably. Could we see another sub 900 millibars? The chances, to be honest with you guys, is consistently going up. And I'm going to be dead honest here. I can't sugarcoat it. You know, it's just what it's looking like. GFS has this a category 5 in the next 3 days.
3?
3 days.
Wow.
3.5 days to be exact. Almost 4 days. And then have this getting down to a 905 millibars on the 18 GFS. While the last run had the peak at 913 and the last run had it at 919. So all day this has aggressively moved west and south and stronger. And this does ultimately stay a category 5 for a very long time and then goes into northern Tokyo as a hurricane. While you see another storm develops off Taiwan and becomes a typhoon and makes landfall in the same spot that we just had there also. So, I mean, wow. We got some major live streams. We probably have, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I think we're going to have a major hurricane live stream for probably the next couple weeks as of right now. Because you got the rest of Genevieve, that's going to be a major hurricane for quite a bit. And then right after Genevieve, this will most likely be a rapidly intensifying storm just like Genevieve, but has the chances to do very crazy things. And with the GFS showing a stronger solution all day, your European model in the next pretty much 96 hours has this at a category 4 on approach. And then it does have it become an easy 905 millibars by August 1st. Has it going to, but it looks like a very symmetrical. I mean, look at the environment for this, you guys. It is in near perfect environment. Very congeal, very symmetrical storm, very small storm. Yes. Let me quickly get into the Discord. You want to go call on there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go on there. All right, I have it on here. I'm currently going over this, so don't interrupt, really, please. The European definitely shows some crazy solution. Your GFS also, your Euro and GFS at the same timing on August 1st has this becoming a 905 millibar storm. Near sub 900s, your latest icon in the next 120 hours has this at a category 5 typhoon. I mean, when I mean ridiculous strengthening with 92C that's now a tropical storm, I mean beyond ballistic. Some of the hurricane models, I'm going to tell you guys straight up, I think is overdoing it. But it's been consistent all day, showing 870 millibar potential. Yeah, you heard me. And it's been consistent. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but all the models, even the icon, gets this down to about sub 900. Your
Condition
GFS.
support.
What?
Condition support, unless if this does ERC.
Look, your GFS, your icon also 905 millibars. And this is with global models, you guys. Just another thing. And when you take a look at the halves, I'm going to tell you guys, be careful on what you take a look at. Let's just take a look at it. I'm not trying to, oh wait, they're not, they need to redo their 0Zs. They took it out. Wait, did they? Yeah, they did. We're going to have to wait until the hurricane models come back because it formed as a storm. So they took it out on the hurricane models that it can get some new information. But we'll take a look at that later tonight. Let me just take a look at the latest CDO wrapping as the convection is getting, wow. Wow, this CDO is improving significantly. And this is not even dural maximum, you guys. Look at the colors. A full CDO around the eye. And this thing is potentially going to start getting some purples in it. Oh, wow. I want to see the latest T drop here. They probably upped it again. I want this to update up, and they did. We got now a final T of 6.8. A 926 millibar storm now.
Wow.
Originally at 928.5, according to the satellite thing, and it also went up to now 135 knots.
Wow.
So
they might actually pull the trigger for Cat 5.
If the TC is right, 135 knots is 160.
No, 155.
155. My apologies.
But close.
155. Yeah. I mean, but look at this. Wow. That thing is just, thank God it's not impacting people, though. That's really good news, you guys. There is lightning strikes that's going on scatterly around the core. I am very worried that we are going to see soon a situation where the lightning just goes off like crazy and we just continue to strengthen. I'm going to leave it on there for a second. That we can keep an eye out on it.
Foster doing its own thing. No. Tried forming it actually a miniature eye a little bit ago. Wait.
Pastos.
Well, it tried for a moment, but sheer and dry air just killed it off. Chrissy also left. I don't know why. Yeah,
Right.
this hurricane looks like Matthew with a CDO and I.
very worrying sign of the CDO. I mean, this thing is just looking like a monster as of this moment, you guys. I mean, truly a complete monster hurricane tonight. I mean, the convection is still exploding on all cylinders and wrapping around the eye. And it looks like the eye is getting even more symmetric. So that's why we are now at a 135 knot. So they might pull the trigger.
I think they will. We still got a
Whoa,
bit of
breaking
time.
news, you guys. The JTWC calls for a borderline Category 5 super typhoon in newly Tropical Storm 12 on the first advisory.
Wow. That is horrible. You know, Bobby, it was first at like 120 knots. This could be,
Wait, let me go. Wait, what did I look at? Zoom Earth. Let's take a look at Zoom Earth.
condition
Wow.
support.
They are already going for almost super typhoon on the first advisory. Yeah, that's never a good. Oh, wow.
I'd agree.
They have this in by 8 a.m. being a 45-mile-an-hour tropical storm and a 60-mile-an-hour storm by tomorrow night, and then a typhoon by Tuesday 8 a.m., a 100-mile-an-hour storm by 8 p.m. Tuesday, 120 by Wednesday 8 a.m., a 120 to 140 by 8 p.m. Wednesday, and then continues to strengthen to a 150, and then they have it at 155 still strengthening. So they
Weather
went
Kingdom?
with, yes?
The name after dolphin, to be honest, it could be a subtropical system.
Who?
Look, there's a
What?
little spin up.
Where?
The Euro and GFS show.
What? For what?
For West Pacific. Or like a little tropical storm that tries to form after a dolphin. So we might also have to watch that. Because that goes towards Japan as a remnant.
We'll have to see. I mean,
It's been consistent.
What first update? Yeah. The first update is already near peaking out, still strengthening. Oh, I forgot to show you guys that. Dude, don't mind that. Don't mind that what you guys just saw. That's I want to wait for the next model intensity guidance.
Icon has dolphin going straight west into
what do you mean
like
dolphin?
China.
There's no storm named Dolphin.
What?
What?
I thought there was one. I thought what?
No. I was confused.
I thought there was one.
There's no storm named Dolphin.
Oh my goodness. What am I doing? No, there is. No, look.
What are you talking about?
Look at my screen real quick.
What year?
This year.
Oh, this is the next storm?
That's the next storm.
This is gonna This is gonna be the name of the storm?
Yep.
Dolphin. What? You're telling me 12 will become Dolphin? You're telling me out of all the names, with all the already showing us potential super typhoon, they're picking Dolphin. So super typhoon Dolphin, everyone. Okay. This is gonna be. I'm sorry, I don't want to make any memes, but what are you doing?
Well, I can't be Kajira or Nanka.
Dolphin. So you're telling me Dolphin could end up being in the history books and be retired?
Yes. Well,
Dolphin.
Depending on where it hits, it could be one of the strongest typhoons that we know of in the 20th.
Dolphin. Oh, wait, but I cannot wrap my head around it right now. Dolphin.
What did you think the next name was?
I was so confused at Dolphin. I didn't even. Usually they make stupid names, like Nia. Like what? Dolphin. So Super Typhoon Dolphin ready. I can't see myself saying that. It's a
Yep.
you're right. Again, this Atlantic season will be well below normal, 10-4-2, but since the conditions are so favorable for warm waters, close to home in the US. Correct. Yep, these some of the ridiculous names of the year. 2015 Dolphin reached Cat 5 intensity.
We might get to Surrey. We might this year.
They
We're
on
on track.
drugs for sure. They use, so you're telling me category 5 Dolphin. I can't. I'm so sorry, you guys. 20 category 5 Typhoon Dolphin.
Category 5, 190 mile per hour dolphin.
No, not 190, but
Just saying.
yeah. Very interesting name choice they have chose. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask. It would be very nice. Look at this convection though. Oh wait, is this the latest? Real. The Dolphin is the sea is 190 miles an hour.
I mean,
Oh,
at this
wow.
point, just
Look
add
at this
Shark to the list and
CDO.
call it a day.
Look at this CDO, dude. Wow.
Alright, give me a minute.
Wait, is my screen sharing?
No, you're not screen sharing.
You should have said something.
You're not
90
screen
Dolphin.
sharing.
I'm just, no offense, I'm just surprised. Dolphin.
I mean, dolphin, yep.
Dolphin. Yep.
At
That's
this
gonna
point,
be
just
hard.
add Shark to the list.
Yeah, add Shark. They should be named Typhoon Shark. Yeah, that would be sick, not gonna lie. Typhoon Shark.
What if it's just a well-in typhoon though? Then call it fish. Typhoon fish.
Real, the Dolphin. Typhoon Gay was back in 1992. The Zesty Typhoon. Did it impact people though?
I think it did.
Yeah, let's not joke about storms that did hit places though. Even though they are interesting names. Look at the CDO.
This looks like Matthew. I don't know why. Do you see it?
The gravity waves though is insane.
They might try to go
Oh
for
my
149.
gosh. So beautiful. Let me take a look at True Color. Oh my goodness.
I think they genuinely might pull the trigger for Cat 5.
Let's wait it. Let's not assume it yet.
When is the next National Hurricane Center update?
I don't know out in the East Pacific. Holy.
Because
wait, look at this. Oh my goodness. This storm just gets better and better every frame. This thing is, look at this.
last storm like this was Bobby, which was actually not. I think it was less than a month ago.
I
Yeah.
mean, look at the bandings. I mean, that CDO is so aggressive. And this is not even, this is the beginning. Is this a fish storm? Yes. Pink on it. Someone said there's pink starting up on it. Uh-oh, no.
Oh, on Dapio?
There is.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
What do you think we're going to find in the morning?
Oh, no. There is pink starting to show up. This is what I'm worried about. A pink CDO. This
That might
did it
occur.
with Melissa. Oh.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Might do it. It might try. And how long are the conditions supportive for?
For the next 24 hours or so.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, this
But
has
let's just
time.
see. Let me make sure I don't have any new information. I need microwave imagery. That's one of the biggest things here.
Let me
Because
check cyclonic. And we do not. They missed it. They do
again,
not. Well, no, it's an old one. And we don't have a new one. It sucks. We've not got a new one for a bit. But tell me this doesn't look like Matthew with the CDO. Like, do you see the resemblance?
not what? I don't. Should prove it to me right now. What? Alright, I have your thing up. Your,
Not the first eye, but the second.
but the eye was not that symmetrical.
I mean, the CDO looked similar.
But the
No, it's
not exactly. The CDO looks a bit better, to be honest.
on Matthew or this.
On this, the CDO looks better. Matthew is more of a less good because it's fixing it. You're using tropical tibbets.
Yeah.
I mean, it works too, but Dapia is also very good. What the? We're gonna just ignore that. We're not even gonna take a look at that. No.
Why is there a faded eye look on that?
Tropical Surge said just wait for D-Max for this
Oh,
storm.
man. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Oh, no.
Yeah, GG's.
You guys,
This thing's on the go now.
I think this might be still rapidly intensifying. Can you
Maybe
go to the
faster
server
now.
I made so I can use the bot and screen share when we
What?
change? What? I don't... Let me go text Chrissy. I don't need... Can you... Well, I thought we're in that VC, though.
No, it's on the server itself. We can just read off of him, though. Oh, wait.
That's not the news.
That's not old. That's not new. I
That's
mean,
very old.
that's really old. Though, it just shows how good this thing is. I'm telling you, they might pull the trigger. They might do it. If not the update after this, definitely. Wow. This CDO is
Yeah.
going to expand and probably wrap with white convection and then do it with pink.
Yep. Alright, let's go to that VC. Oh, let me quickly... That happened so quick, though. Holy... I turned away for 1 second.
Weather Kingdom 25.
I'm on.
OK Screen Share WK.
Okay. Oh, oops. I did not mean to do that. My fault. Yeah, we got some issues, people. The raw tea is getting even more worse, and this thing is just looking like D-Max is just doing what it's supposed to do. Alright, so we have that up. Let me quickly go back in here. If you guys are new to the channel, please like, please subscribe. Our goal is to 50 likes tonight. That's throughout the entire stream. So let's do it, everybody. Please like and subscribe. That would be very greatly appreciated.
Weather Kingdom? Is this prone to ERC?
Not right now.
If it did ERC, this thing's not reaching a Cat 5. If it did right now, it's not.
I'm going to keep you guys on. I'm going to quickly join a VC and quickly just... You guys can talk. I'm just going to quickly get some... I want to ask someone a very good question about the CDO.
If a DT keeps the same trend, it will be Cat 5 next update.
Maybe. Depends. Hello?
I am referring to the Dvorak trend.
Yeah. Also, the CDO is closing in, which is making the whole overall eye tighter. So it's probably like think of spinning around with your arms wide.
Check General Gavin.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Hi.
General, not TTS chatmate.
Oh, is he in that chat he's in? I know what one he's in. Yeah, the CDO is tightening. They're probably gonna go 140. They're probably going to. I really wouldn't be surprised if they went 140.
In calling it, it will be Cat 5 at 2am Outlul.
Next update, it's probably gonna be a 5 easily. The CDO is like tightening in. It's closing, which is helping the eye get more tight. Actually, I've not checked that. Whoa. I do wonder. Well, no. I'd rather just do. Give me a moment, please.
XXGAVI and 8 Torex it indeed is.
It is negative 19 Celsius for the water vapor. So,
The lower
yeah.
level eye is very dry.
Yeah. It's tightening. This thing, I think they're gonna go Cat 5. This might try pulling 175 by the morning, depending on Dmax and
Upper
stuff.
level IS to dry.
Yeah, it's drying fast. Well, it's actually maintaining its dryness. It's slowly going down for moisture. So, yeah, we'll see
Or
what
checking
happens.
only upper mid-level probably.
I mean, it's really realistically the only way I can measure it on not Himawari, Goes 19.
I only know one website that has lower level.
A huge convection on Fausto. It's probably a tropical storm by now. Or
Ghost satellites do have a lower level water vapor band though.
Yeah. All it needs to do is just tighten on the north side. Because it's really doing well with tightening on the south side. But this needs to shrink and contract its eye. Is this annular? I think it's not.
Alright, I'm back. Welcome back. I'm back.
What does annular eye mean? Like annular?
Alright, so let me quickly update this here.
I wouldn't be surprised if we have a Merc or just a failed EWRC.
Oops.
I don't know if there's enough time, if I'm gonna be honest.
I don't think. Wait, what did he say?
He said a merger, or a failed ERC. I don't think it has enough time.
It looks like the eye is. Oof,
It's contracting.
Just a little bit.
Mercs are pretty rare. Bobby had a few. I think Melissa did too.
But
no, Bobby had 0.
Wait,
it was all ERC.
There is a few more lightning strikes wrapping around the CDO here. Oh, another lightning strike. We're starting to get to this point where we're starting to see lightning strikes every couple minutes.
Yeah, the eyes.
Bobby had a lot of failed URCs.
Yeah.
ERCs.
The eye is contracting a little bit, but there is lightning also. Some things this could mean is
It's tightening.
It's tightening. It could be there's no signs of an eye wall replacement cycle as of this moment. But if lightning gets more rapidly and we see more aggressive lightning strikes take place, then I could see it really rapiding, but I don't see any signs of a secondary eye wall. I don't see any of that type of deal going on this moment.
And yeah, we're about to see some major development. And on Tropical Tidbits, you can see pink, low end pink now. So it's trying to make a little run at full white CDO now.
It's done with full white.
If it was an EWRC, it wouldn't be contracting,
gray,
it would be stretching.
Full white. It's gray.
If you actually I want to go into zoomed. I'm going to go into the zoom part of this. I don't know if I'm allowed to look at it, but let's take a look at the zoom version of the Ghost 2. Ghost 2. No, we're not going to do it. Alright, we're going to do it. No, I don't like that.
It's weird.
The zoom is not the greatest, but water vapor and loop it does look like the eye is still drying out. This did happen with Melissa here. We are at 19. If you look at the eye right here, it looks like it's staying sustained right now. It has shrunk just a little bit. Probably shrunk. I wouldn't say it's going to do a pinhole, but
it's not. It's a mid-sized right now. I think.
Was Patricia a mim?
It was a pinhole.
Yeah.
Now
We'll
let's
see what
see.
happens here. More pinks continuing steadily. We got a lot of white going around the CDO. We got an eye that's tightening up. Only thing I can think of is the convection is so strong that it's contracting the eye a bit, and the pressures are rapidly still dropping. Let me quickly take a look at the T raw. Where did
Huge
I?
westward
The lower
jog.
level eye is very dry. Sadly, most websites don't show THE lower level water vapor band.
Huge westward jog
On what?
of this storm.
Where?
Now,
Not huge, but we'll see what it does.
it's been doing it for like the past hour or
It
so.
will not get strong as Melissa, we know.
It it probably won't.
It
It will
probably
not.
won't. It will not. But
Because
could it
Melissa,
reach?
mind you, was 190. This is not gonna get close, probably.
Yeah, Melissa was a freaking legend. In a bad way. Yeah,
But
that
this
Melegendary.
eye is about 17 nautical miles. So it's contracting to that.
look at these 3 storms right now. We still have category 1 85-mile-an-hour storm here.
That's
They're
probably a
expecting it to go
storm now.
north of Hawaii now. So it's probably going to continue to weaken. So we're going to have
We
2.
would bring rain to it.
Yeah, but nothing too much. Nothing too crazy. This likely
Fausto
will.
is a 65 to 70 miles per hour tropical storm IMO.
They say by 2 p.m. tomorrow this is going to be still category 4. I disagree at 150. They're probably going to pull the trigger and say it's going to strengthen one little bit. Coolest list of 5s I ever seen was Melissa. Maybe that typhoon, that crazy typhoon will.
Aaron
Yeah,
was actually Aaron was also another cool storm. That's my second favorite Cat 5 of the year. Cause like of
Milton was
coolness.
really good too.
But I mean of 2025. We should just rank all category 5s by how cool they look of the 2020s,
Yeah.
including East Pacific. We should do that. Well, maybe not on your stream. Maybe we should just do it privately. Or what
I
do you
mean,
think?
we
Off
probably, you
topic,
know
but a
what?
long-lasting MCS potentially derecho is developing tonight in Tomorrow.
Or maybe we made a video
Oh, wait.
a video
Did you say a derecho?
ratio.
I heard a derecho.
I don't know. That was the bot. That was Chrissy.
A
But
long-lasting MCS overnight.
oh, he was talking about derechos.
Oh, shoot, I didn't even see that.
Potential derecho.
Yep.
We'll have to see.
Yeah, I think that I. Well, so we should actually. That's a good video
I'm a pull-up
idea.
radar.
After,
Yeah.
we should do that after the winter thoughts video, like or during the end of hurricane season.
Yeah.
Or like, let's just rank every category 5 of the 2020s, and my top 3. So starting out with number
Wait, not right now. Let's
3.
not do it right now.
Okay,
Let
but we should do it. It's a cool idea, I think.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a community post on that if they would like us to do that.
One is obviously Tropical Storm Arthur. It was the best organized system.
All right. The eye is contracting a
No
bit.
Arthur and Bertha are
Sure
tied.
is.
Yeah.
It's doing well.
I want to see if I'm getting any. Wait.
Huge banding. Maybe like we could one day
I'm
like
asking, oh, he's Tropical Search said no, and he said,
no
and hell no.
no ERC. Wait, what do you say no to?
Both.
What do you mean both?
What? 1 second, I want to get some opinions here before. No signs in an eyewall replacement cycle. There's no signs on satellite as of right now. There's any sign. So what could be happening is the eye is just tightening. It did in Melissa.
Yep, it's tightening. Oh my goodness. Is
What?
tightening. Wow.
If
The
it
east
does
side of the
tighten, if it does shrink to a scary pinhole, I don't know what to say to you guys, but
it won't be a pinhole, but like it's gonna be like Melissa wherever the last part went over is going for
no, let's
Jamaica. Where
not. Yeah,
no, no,
it
no,
will
no.
not
Hear me out.
be
Hear me out.
Melissa.
No, hold up. I mean with the CDO, not the strength. Where it tightened. Like where you know how you spin with your arms out and then you pull your arms in and it goes faster? That's basically what Melissa did in going towards Jamaica.
Yeah,
Because it tightened. That's what this is trying to do, but not at that intensity.
very interesting look here. The raw T. Let me take a look at the temp of the eye because I want to make sure we're not. Yeah, it looks like it's steadily right now. Oh, actually, the eye looks like it's drying out even further. On average, it's shrunk but drying out. So, yeah, there is no signs of an eyewall replacement cycle in sight on everything. Let me check on lightning.
Yeah.
Lightning. Oh, wow. Look at that CDO, my friends. Oh, no.
Oh!
Oh, no. That's not a good sign when you start to see that many lightning strikes in a 5-minute period. That tells you... Oh, that's not good. Let's stay on... Whoa.
Sorry for interruption, but we have a destructive storm in the...
In the what? Where?
In the north, in Virginia. Because it was, he meant to type VA, but it just said
Destructive
VA.
storm in VA.
Yeah, VA.
Oh, I see it. It's...
Yeah, oh my goodness, this thing's tightening.
Oh,
Look
another
at
lightning strike. The lightning is really starting to begin also.
going towards D-Max.
You guys, this might try and continue to intensify in the overnights. If this lightning gets more and more rapid in the hour, with the pink CDO trying to develop, it could be trying to... It's out! It's 155, new update. They went with 155. National Hurricane Center, let's take a look at their forecast. They're going borderline Cat 5. And
Did they
did.
hold it?
Wait, did they?
Why does it not show on here?
Wait. Let me look on Discord. Yep. You guys, the latest advisory. Trevor said there is no signs of an eyewall replacement cycle. It changes structure easily. That's what storms do. They contrast and expand the eye. No eyewall replacement cycle, another person said.
Yeah, 155 miles per hour.
They're at 929 millibars.
Wow. Yeah, next update, this is Cat 5.
Yeah. Let me make sure of this.
There's no doubt.
Moving west-northwest. So it's moving in a more westward pace here now. 155, 929. Discussion is out also. We're reading it. Genevieve continues to intensify this afternoon and evening. Satellite imagery reveals a very pronounced circular warming eye with a deep band of convection wrapping around the inner core. The GLM satellite data that lightning has been occurring in the eastern and northern eye wall for the last several hours and increasing. The latest subjected intensity estimate now UW and the KIPS range from 126 to 142 knots. The TAFB subject Dirac satellite intensity is a 6.5. Now it's at like a 6.8, but they went up. This was a little bit earlier ago. And a 12.7 knot, 127 knots based on these values. The latest satellite trends in the current intensity has now been increased to 135 knots. Genevieve is a very powerful category 4 on the San Franciscan rails. They do say environment conditions remain very conducive for intensification still, with low vertical wind shear and sea surface temperatures along the additional strengthening. Additional strengthening is possible, and the peak intensity has been now raised for a Category 5 hurricane, a 160, 140 knots. Therefore, a hard-to-predict eye wall replacement cycles could cause intensity and fluctuate. So they're saying it's hard to predict eye wall replacement cycles. Very, very thick CDL. And what is CDL? Do you know?
What?
They said
What?
a very thick CDL. Or someone said in the chat. They do say the vertical wind shear, this still has room to intensify even further. Given the current trends and the favorable conditions, the short-term intensity forecast lies above the model guidance in about 2 to 3 days. Genevieve is forecasted to cross into cooler waters, mid-level air, and enter a more stable environment. This will gradually weaken, and the National Hurricane Line's near the aid. Genevieve is moving west at 12 knots. The storm is moving along the mid-river. Yeah, we already know about that. Next up.
It's trying to
In the next
contract
12
more.
hours, they say 160.
And it's already south of the
I'm
cone.
sorry, but the
No, it's not.
HRR has AMCS forming in northern Wisconsin and lasting into Tennessee.
Look.
Let me
Look.
see.
On Zoom Earth.
Oh, no, not... What?
No, I'm not following that.
What?
Look, it's literally going like on the south side of the cone still. You see one. And this is the new cone for Cat 5.
Oh, yeah, it's making its turn, so... Yeah, wow, they have this becoming the peak right here, you guys. You guys, they say the peak's going to be up in here. And if it goes more south and west, this could... Interesting. We're going to have to keep an eye out for that, but peak is in this area up here. We're not even there yet. The peak, they say 160 by 8 a.m., to be honest with you. Oh, he meant CDO. Very thick CDO, clicked wrong. Calls for a Cat 5. Yup. So the first Category 5 hurricane in the Eastern Pacific is... We were just talking about how there hasn't even been a hurricane, and look what we caused.
First Cat 5 since Melissa.
People are talking about it. Yeah, so the good news is why we are not worried about any landmass is, you guys, we can have a little bit wiggle room on the fun part in this storm. I'm not saying we're going to be all happy and stuff, but we can kind of feel pretty good watching this one because the good news is it is impacting no land.
The fish.
Even as it dies. What?
The fish, they're dying. The birds.
Okay, we also have a MCS associated with a rare July nor'easter in the mid-Atlantic in a few days.
Yeah, I'm watching that also. We'll take a look. Bad. New Dorvac is updated. Oh no,
we're losing fish.
You guys, new Dorak? They went with a 6.9 now. Dvorak has now went down to a 920. No, actually, they're at 137 knots.
The CDO's rapping
Wait,
majorly.
923 millibars. They have, wow. We are at a 923 mil. Wow, this thing is really going for the ages here. Dvorak is at a
What?
6.9 final.
This might be our strongest storm in July for the East Pacific.
Weren't we at 930 for last?
We were at 929.5 about 40 minutes ago. And we're at 923.4 with a
What?
137 knots.
That's
So
a big dip.
Yeah.
137 knots? That's a
137.4. So it's
That's a
starting
Cat
to
5.
read Cat 5 now status, you guys, on the Dvorak.
It's
They said
136 knots or above is Cat 5.
Okay, they said 20 minutes ago. So 20 minutes ago, we said 926 millibars. So in 20 minutes, you're telling me it almost dropped 3 millibars? Oh, damn.
Its ace is at mid-range, Cat 5.
Oh, damn.
Levels.
This might go for 165.
No, let's not say... 165 I can see. Let's see a watch on the CDO, because this CDO is improving dramatically, you guys.
And it's tight.
Its ace is similar to mid-range Cat 5.
I mean, look at the CDO. It is...
It's getting more symmetrical now. It's not having that big band on itself. Not as big, or I think. But either way, it's doing much better. What do annular hurricane eyes look like?
Let me show you. Annular. We'll fix it. How you spell that? A-N?
ANNUALAR.
So something like that, yeah.
Wait, let me see. For infrared.
Wait, let me quickly see if their eye wall replacement cycle. Wait. Eye wall or... Let me take a look. They're probably... An annual is a type with a large... It's with a type of a tropical cyclone, a large symmetrical eye surrounding a thick uniform ring of intense convection, lack of discrete rain bands outside. The structure gives a tire or donut experience on, and it is the asymmetrical. They can persist days, often maintain high intensity longer than average. So it pretty much annual hurricanes is the most prone to not do a eye wall replacement cycle. It's the hardest to do an eye wall replacement cycle because the lack of bands.
And this has a bit of bands.
Yeah, but
Otis
not around
wasn't
the
prone
eye.
to one. Otis was not. Correct? Because it was just a blob that was spinning.
Oh! That's never good when you start seeing lightning like this still. Let's keep an eye on the lightning for a few minutes, you guys. It has a base that tongue of convection. South exactly what Melissa said.
If a second eye wall formed, I wonder how big it would be.
Oh yeah, Tropical Storm Surge said the CDO is even more annual. So it continues to look like the next microwave imagery is going to look more and more like a Melissa microwave imagery.
Yeah, Leather Kingdom. I'm gonna get off in like 30 minutes
Why?
because I want to get to bed earlier.
Alright, yeah, you're good. We'll just be here probably for quite a bit of tonight as the updates continue to come in. Do we have any more microwave imagery updates?
Let me check.
Ugh, the CDO is just getting thicker and thicker. Worrying sign, you guys, that...
Nope.
Yeah, look at this, you guys. Every frame just makes the CDO look better and better. The good news
Yeah,
is the
none.
eye from being 18 is now at 19. It's cooling off just a bit, the eye, but still very close to, once again, drying back out. It's probably thanks to the convection explosions. I mean, this thing is wrapping. I mean, look at the eye here. It is near perfect symmetrical with the pixels. Another thing is the
I think it
lightning.
looks like a 5 now. It looks like 1.
The raw T is still, I mean, it's not going to keep updating, but the raw T keeps saying that this thing is, it's showing no mercy right now on strengthening. I wish we had recon.
Yeah, but I wish
Bro, the
Mexico had
HRR has a
recon.
15 to 20 Fahrenheit cold pull with the MCS.
Alright.
What the hell, bruh?
Hey, keep the cursing down. Please.
Oh, BBB.
No, you're good, you're good. Yeah, so... Alright, Tropical Storm Surge did say something about the eye shrinking a little bit. He said that's why the eye is shrinking because the convection burst towards the eye a tad, causing slight structural changes, but no signs of an eye wall replacement cycle at all.
Yeah,
And
that's
then he
probably
said the
just the eye trying
ADT
to
has
tighten.
a category 5 on the final. So, this might...
Yeah, I don't know if it's actually going to contract anymore because it doesn't look like the eye's any ragged. I don't think it's ragged anymore. As ragged
WK,
as
will
it
you ever
was.
do severe weather streams?
I do. I do. I have a lot of severe weather streams.
I mean, like this season.
I did this season already. I did a lot of severe weather season live.
Or lie.
What?
I was too busy watching Max and Ryanik.
Yeah, that's why I don't do crazy amount of severe weather because they're just too big.
I watched your really old stuff, then forgot apt you.
Oh. Huh.
More lightning.
I was so happy to find you again, though.
Thank you. What do you mean more lightning?
Just, yeah. It's a lightning show now.
Not fully just yet, but it's starting to get there.
On the northeast side of the eye. I mean, it quite literally is. Like, you get what? In the, is it 34? Like,
Eye is still cooling off. We're at almost a 21 now. but that's thanks to the CDO. It's the structural changes.
So, yeah, you get about 7 lightning strikes per minute in the northeast sidewall, north and east. So
I'm
that's
gonna
actually
quickly mute this. I'm gonna let you go. You could keep talking. I'm just quickly taking a look at something.
uh,
XXGAVI and a Torx IDK if you've noticed, but conditions are getting more favorable for the MDR on the models.
Alright, I am back. Okay, welcome back. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and like. We're at 24 likes. Let's get 6 more likes. No. We need more likes. I is still getting smaller. It's about 17 miles now. Also, you guys, please share the stream if you guys are new. We are continuing to keep an eye on the eye. I am taking a very close look here right now, and it does look like that the eye is continuing to shrink in a little bit. I am a little worried about that because I think that's just not just with the convection, but what could happen here is the eye gets so small that it cannot do an hour replacement cycle. There's been some hints of pinks trying to rewrap, but right now we got steady convection on all quadrants with a rapidly increasing and CDO right now. As of this moment. Yes, you are correct there. The models are showing some hints now at the Atlantic. I'm not too confident yet on anything. Hey, is anyone still there in the Discord?
Yay.
Okay. Okay, she's a little busy. So,
Gavin is muted.
yep.
My bad.
No, you're
We
good.
might
You're
get
good.
an
You're
area of
good.
interest in the MDR. We might get a 1010 like we did earlier.
There
Because
is something very interesting about the Northeast,
I
though.
thought so too.
A big thing also in the Northeast, is the potential for thunderstorms for the rest of tonight into overnight, and then tomorrow some thunderstorms, and then look at this severe weather.
oh my goodness, that CDO.
Check
Wow.
Euro's vorticity in the MDR just north of the ITCZ.
I don't think they're gonna tag it because I don't. Are you
Why did
talking
they
about
tag
that?
the one in the MDR last time? Why?
Well,
They have
definitely
it.
not yet.
What's spinning?
It was a closed off tropical wave. Well, it is shown to be a closed off tropical wave on there. On the
Oh yeah, they've
Euro
been
and
talking.
GFS.
Oh wait, they are talking about the nor'easter potential across Northeast. Someone did say. But look at the severe weather, you guys. Look at this. Some really nasty severe weather for Tuesday. A lot of potential flooding things too, especially in eastern Pennsylvania. Look at that for hours of some really nasty storms. I mean, if the NAM3 cam is right, you get a whopping almost 8 inches of rain across
Wow.
eastern Pennsylvania. So we are going to have
Gavin,
to keep
you are referring to this right.
You're going to have to keep an eye out for this because even the NAM 18Z...
Skaven a Torex.
Okay. It actually looks like it pushes east coast and then moves in a spinning high. Yeah, very interesting though with the rainfall here. A lot of slow-moving thunderstorms and downpours, and the NAM 3 cam does show quite a bit of flooding, and eastern Pennsylvania has been dealing with a lot of flooding. You do see that point
Check
out
the
on
HRRR for VA and the DEM larva.
Okay, we will, but look at that. The NAM 12 cam does show something off the East Coast. Kind of sits there, and your total rain accumulations out of the NAM 12 km is up to 6 to 8 inches also. Across the northern New Jersey, so quite a bit of rain showing up here in the next 3 days here, you guys. A little worrying. I'm gonna have to keep an eye out because I do live in this area and I do have some footage from the last storm. So if I can get up, okay, we'll take a look at that.
It's shrinking.
You guys, we got a raw TC of now a 7.
Wow.
Yeah, they had just adjusted it to a 7. So we continue to... That was the latest update. Nothing else changed. So it doesn't look like any more, but wow. Very significant stuff there. Also, when we were taking a look at the nor'easter stuff, I'm a little concerned because I knew they were showing a nor'easter, but the NAM model's showing some scary rainfall, especially across eastern Pennsylvania. Been dealing with that. And if you see it here, look at the FV3. Severe weather. And then look how the thunderstorms just train for hours over eastern Pennsylvania like a nor'easter. And this happened actually with Isaias, for an example. And if you look at the rainfall out of the FV3, you also get down in Philly up to 6 to 7 inches of rain, potentially. So, a little concerning, you guys. This ain't even a fully rainfall total, and this is the latest 0Zs, you guys, coming out. Even the WRF models showing some long time rain. When you take a look at the European for a watch here, you do see quite a bit of storms, and then kind of rotates and sits over. But if you look at the total rainfall, Euro's a little bit less, but in scattered moments, 2 to 4 inches of rain. When you take a look at the GFS rainfall, you do see the idea of less rain. But let me take a look at the 0Z HER model, because that goes out 48 hours. Let me take a look on what it looks like there, because I'm more focused on these than global, because the mesoscale models do really good in these events. Yeah, the HER also shows a lot of stormy pattern. Also gets the rain accumulations in some spots already 2 to 3 inches of rain there. But I'm very concerned about the NAM 3KM, where you get that really lots of rain, and it's still raining in spots at that given time. So before I continue, I want to take a look at WPC flooding.
We have a large swath of wind damage across Kentucky.
Okay, thank you for that. I'll take a look at that also in a moment. They do have a slight risk, you guys. A slight 3-day risk. For flooding across eastern Pennsylvania. I can see this get upgraded to a moderate risk of severe flooding here. We also do see the additional of some severe weather potential here also. So that's another big thing. Day 3 showing a massive slight risk. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this, you guys. Not liking the looks on the nor'easter potential. Not just because of all the rain, but if you look at some of the wind gust here, just the surface wind gust here across the northeast, mid-Atlantic and northeast, once I fix this up. What happened here? Click any of the question marks. What? Oh. Let's quickly go into the mid-Atlantic here. And let's take a look at that. Yeah, a little gusty winds there. So we're going to have to keep an eye out for that. But very sticky dew point temperatures, too, in the 70s. So, ugh. Nasty, nasty weather. I wouldn't want to be a part of that. But look at all that rain just sits over eastern Pennsylvania. I mean, that's really nasty right there as a storm there also. But, yeah, that's your latest update on that. I need to close out some of these tabs because we are adding a little bit of extra tabs. So let me quickly update the CDO. I haven't took a minute look at this. Few minute look. Don't tell me this is having trouble to work now. No. Dapia, you better not be doing this to me now. Dapia, you better stay working. You better not be doing this when I need you to work. Really? Wait, it's working. It's loading. Okay, okay. Breathe, baby, breathe. Okay, good. You're breathing. Now let's go into Genevieve. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting even closer. Oh, that CDO is looking... Oh, gosh. That CDO is looking meaner than ever. That CDO is also growing. Very round. The eye continues to shrinking. Or it's slowing down with the shrinking. Convection continues to build.
I think I don't know if it's going to shrink, and it's actually really circular now. Much more circular, I think.
Really pronounced circular. Let's look at the water temp. I know that we hit 20, almost 21. Oh, yeah, so it's staying in 20s. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's actually looking like it's drying off. The eye is re-drying here. So I think the eye just... I wonder how big the eye is currently right now. Can you do an estimate? This was at 11 o'clock. And the measurement at 11 was
18 nautical miles right now. Kind of about that.
someone said, "Hey, Weather Kingdom chat, Genevieve is about biggest strength." Huh? Yeah, Genevieve's doing very good right now. Genevieve is going a little bit
Bro,
of a
why
less...
is every microwave skin worse than Bertha's satellite appearance?
I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know.
I do wonder how much the eye will contract to. I do wonder.
I agree.
Bruh and Bum Fausto over their's last 3 microwave passes have all been 80% plus.
Duh. If you guys are new to the channel, once again, please like, please subscribe. That would be very greatly appreciated. I'm keeping an eye on the CDO here because I want to look at every little structural change. Looks like convection continues. The eye is still contracting but drying out. And the CDO continues to be very pronounced. Very strong CDO.
TD12 is moving very fast.
Yeah, I know. Dorak shows a category 5.
Right now? Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
TD12 is like super fast moving.
Dorak is at, Dorak shows a category 5 right this moment. Wait, where did my thing go? Oh. Let's re-update this. Yeah, that hasn't updated in the last minute. So we're gonna have to see and keep an eye out on that. Alright, you guys. How is Japan one looking now? It is not dead. The Japan one is not looking dead at all. The potential Japan one, my friends. Potential.
I think it could still arrive there as a typhoon. But just more
The
low
Japan
end.
one is moving at like the speed of light.
No. It would be all the way around the world already.
It's going super fast, mate.
I mean,
Not
it is
as fast
moving,
as
but
the
it's
speed of
gonna
light.
slow down. It will slow down, but it's doing a pretty good job as a tropical storm there.
Yeah,
Any
maybe
hurricane
next update it
models?
might go 45 miles per hour.
It is hauling.
It's moving, we'll say.
You mean TD?
Oh, you're talking about Fausto. Fausto is, believe it or not, still alive. Fausto.
You called it a TS.
Oh, it is a.
I don't know why they
It's a
call it
tropical storm.
75 knots.
Isn't it a tropical storm?
Nope. So actually mid Cat 1 officially.
No, I'm not talking. I mean 12.
I am referring to TD12, not Fausto, y'all.
Oh. but Fossos is 85 miles per hour.
12 is a TD, not a TS.
Okay.
Oh, still close, very close. I think it could get
It would have a
TS.
name if it was a TS.
Okay.
I think it'll get Dolphin next name or next
Holy
update.
crap! This CDO just
Typhoon Dolphin.
You guys, this CDO does look like Milton, kind of, in its second peak. That eye is still contracting just a bit, but it's slowing down its contraction.
At least it's not a fish eater called Dolphin Lol.
Ha.
Ha.
That would be worse.
Oh no. Hurricane Dolphin. Well,
Let's take a look at lightning.
Well, not literally, but funniness-wise.
Oh my lord.
Whoa.
Why do we have a lot of scatter light? Well, okay.
The eyes contracted so much.
Yeah, but holy camoly. Lightning strikes every quadrant. Oh, okay. Yeah, you know what that really that's a very scary CDO looking.
I wonder where the second eye wall would form if it formed another eye wall.
Can't tell you the second.
It probably would be really large, if I had to be honest.
I wouldn't say very large. I don't think it will do an eye wall replacement cycle until it hits the unfavorability.
Yeah. And it's still contracting.
But it's drying out also.
I do wonder how much it will contract. I swear, if this contracts to a pinhole.
Sure.
Yeah, this is GG's. The
Yeah.
fish are dead.
I think the fish are dead anyway.
Yeah, they are.
But yeah, I would like to keep an eye out on this lightning. Very interesting placements on the lightning. But wow,
Yeah.
look at that.
I might be able to stay on until 11. I might be able to make it easily.
Not far off now.
Wow.
Oh, wow. So it's at
Keep
15
dabbing out the
miles.
ocean. That laugh was suspicious.
You guys,
I can't tell at this point if it's collapsing or if it's just contracting. Like, I swear, at some point, I'm going to be like, is this collapsing? Because it isn't. It's still intensifying. Like, I don't know how or why it's contracting so much, but...
maybe soon. I hope it's not. We're
Though
at 15 miles.
we don't, guys, be very worried because it's not hitting anybody, luckily, so we could cheer us on just to get us some ace.
Huh.
This will put us above
you
average.
don't want to look like a weenie either. But
yeah, but this ain't impacting nobody.
Per satellite,
That's a
we
huge
had
argument.
a lightning flash that was the size of the eye.
Oh.
Yeah. I do wonder what this will look like.
We had a light neon flash like dead center of the eye.
Dead center, and I like what?
Lightning in this dead center.
Watch
Hey,
my stream.
Chrissy, is your website ready to use?
No.
Oh. Is it close?
I have a lot of issues.
Oh.
Well, that
It's
says a
hard
lot.
AFG.
I have your screen up, Chrissy.
Still contracting. The eye's getting cloud filled.
I don't completely believe in that lightning. I don't.
Maybe from a mesovort. That's the only thing I'm thinking of. This.
It's a satellite intrasumment man.
The eye's gonna contract more. you could see, like, once it stops getting clouds in this eye,
It
like
is from the GLM.
GM. All right, but once this has like clouds getting into the eye and it can be fully circular and push all clouds out. Because small clouds that make the eye not as circular on infrared, those will cause this to contract, and it'll probably cause it to shrink.
Geostationary lightning mappers, what GLM stands for if you DIDNT know.
Okay.
Actually, how much did it contract? Like a few
Someone
miles?
said it's at 15 miles. We're 5
Wow.
miles away from a pinhole.
It's close. It's getting very close.
If it can get down to a 10-mile
It can do it. It can.
but the question is that a bad sign? Maybe something's going on.
I don't think the eyes like getting I don't think. Wait, what do you mean by something's going on?
Maybe a beginning stage of an eyewall replacement cycle or something.
There's no signs, probably. I mean, we don't have recent microwave, do we? Hold up. I don't think we have recent microwave.
It's at 14 miles, apparently, someone said. And some changes. The smaller the eye gets, the faster the pressure drops. And drying eye also shows that the storm pressure is also rapidly dropping. And the CDO is another sign. Okay,
Is that a
thank
sign
you.
of ERC on my screen? Weather Kingdom. Look at my screen real quick.
No, not even close.
Oh.
No,
thought-
no.
Whoa. Okay.
How old is that?
That's at 3Z.
When was
So it's
that?
new.
This afternoon?
Week that may be a moat
Nope.
actually.
That's new. It happened like 30 minutes ago.
Send it into the Triple P and see what they say.
That might be a moat
Well,
forming
I'm gonna
WK.
send it to you so you can send it there. 'Cause
Yeah.
I don't have access to it.
All
I
right.
mean, I can join, but I'm not joining yet. Plus, I don't have much interest right now. I don't. I've watched you for longer anyways. But, hold up. Here, I might just send it here instead. But, let me see. Here we go. There. Yeah, this thing ain't doing ERC.
I have no
within-
interesting in joining Triple P show because y'all are chiller easier to stream with and let me use the bot.
There as well, but like,
Wait, did you send it?
yep,
Where at?
in the chat. Weather Kingdom's more private stream VC.
In what? In my general?
No, you see it right there? No, no. Wait. Oh no, never mind. My bad. Oh, let me go to your screen. Go to our private VC chat, but not the general. It's our group chat. It's our group.
Oh. I need to
It's
fix
Weather
it.
Kingdom's more private stream VC.
Yup, I see it. 1 second.
Is just very, very not prone to ERCs right now.
I don't see it.
You don't.
Am I going crazy? Can you just send it privately to me?
Okay.
Someone did say it's going to do that. Oh. Tropical Surge.
Going to do what?
Tropical Surge said it. I said it's still shrinking, and he said it's going to do that. That's common. In a rapidly intensifying hurricane. I mean, the CDO is getting very impressive.
Here, I send it to you.
XXGAVI and Atorix, you could test my website, but you would have to install the website files on Opera computer, run some commands, and run it locally.
You know who's really good at this? Tristan.
You can't JS like put in a domain, unfortunately.
Huge donut. Donut. Famous last words, Homer Simpson.
Homer dropped his donut.
Alright. The eye is still about 20 degrees Celsius, still contracting.
Roughly, yeah. I think we might get to a pinhole. We're almost there.
It's in the morning, it might be a category 5. This hurricane's going
Think it
into
will.
extreme rapid intensification.
I think by 6Z it'll be Cat 5 officially there.
We'll have to just wait and see. Let me quickly close that out. Actually, the southern side is doing very good. Whoever said that. Oh, there is a little bit of Wow, that eye is still shrinking.
I'm on my way.
Awkward.
That eye is still shrinking. Could it go to pinhole? I don't know. It's definitely a low end Cat 5 right now, someone said. I see brown up north. Is that going to hurt the storm? I see something up north. No, not right now. And down the no, it's too moist. Serge said, I don't know. It's attached and it looks attached to a feeder band, but possibly. The inner core is too strong, I think, though. Sky Trevor said, I don't think it's doing an eyewall replacement cycle. Let me ask Tristan. He's probably in bed.
So you're telling me that the inner eye is just too powerful right now?
Yeah, and people do not think it's an eyewall replacement cycle. They just think it's the expansion of the CDO and a structural change. This longer this storm holds this structure, the stronger it will get and the more CDO will wrap around the eye. Yeah. The eye is still... That thing is just continuing to shrink, though.
I wonder what this looks like in the morning. What do you think?
To be honest, I can't tell you. I don't know.
I think this will be 165 or 160
Yep.
miles per hour. Hello,
It's
LTW.
160.
What?
I actually have it as 165.
Sure.
No, there's support.
Oh, support. Oh.
Like almost every single guidance supports either 155 or 165.
So they're probably National Hurricane Center. If they update right now, they would probably go 160 just to cut the difference.
Yeah.
I have a question,
It's a
LTW.
Cat 5.
Wait,
Mhm.
do you have that microwave imagery? I do too. I'm gonna show you here it.
No, it is not doing an ERC.
Wait.
Not.
That's what you're asking.
What about this?
Once again, no, it is not doing an ERC. And
The
you
aim is too strong.
what what flight level is what level is that?
What level is that,
This-
Gavin?
It was the color 91 in
No,
Cyclone.
no. Is that low level or?
No, that it's not connected. It's not an ERC. It's not an outer.
I don't know what is.
Someone just said rapidly drying in the eye now again.
Yup. I'm gonna take a look at that.
That's not an ERC. No, that's actually dual banding or something like that. I think you could see.
I have Cyclone WX right now. Let me see. And oh wow,
I'm
rapidly drying eye right now. We went from a 21 to now a 19 again. Okay, so eye is drying back out, so it can't be. And I
Can I cut you off right there?
yeah.
We're not at 19. We're at 18, negative 18.47 C. On the
I'm looking on Cyclone WX.
yeah,
Oh, I think
I'm
we should.
literally looking at the same thing.
We're at 9. What? Am I going
No,
crazy?
I'm good.
It's not. Look at my screen.
I am looking.
We're
at
at
your screen.
19.95.
Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
was looking at the longer.
Wow, this is just something else. Let's check lightning. Oh my goodness. What? Check. Oh, Weather Kingdom. OTOE.
What?
Yeah.
I don't see any light. There's lightning around the
So
CDO.
spread. It's so spread out.
Yeah, it's very spread out.
On Weather Nerds, I'm checking. Like, it shows, like, so much lightning. This used to not be electrified, but now it
Someone
is.
said look at the Dorak raw T.
Dvorak.
Dorak supports a 175 mile an hour hurricane, Weather Kingdom.
It's
No,
not 175 right now.
Where
No,
did
it
you
does
find
not.
75?
Oh.
Where did you find 175 from
A customer.
137?
No. An audience. Justin said the Dorak supports a 175 mile an hour hurricane.
No, it does not. No.
The adjust is at a 7.3 raw.
What does that support?
The final is at a 6.9 again. 923 point.
Oh.
What? Did he leave? I think he did.
I'm right here.
Adjusted T supports.
Oh, that was Chrissy.
No.
Wait, no.
Hold on, I gotta measure this.
Oh, the raw T supports 175. The raw T, not the other stuff. The final isn't a 175.
What is the final?
6.9 again.
And what does that support?
About Cat 5.
Yeah. I do agree with that. I think it is Cat 5. But yeah, I think by the morning we might get 175 if things keep going.
What am I looking at?
What, LTW? Do you want me to show you your screen or no?
Sure.
Oh,
I'm
you
not
don't?
even sharing.
Yeah. What happened?
All I could say is gold.
Why?
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
what ADT adjusted supports.
Let me see.
You're 150, 145 knots.
Wait, where? I don't know
Or are you
why.
going ADT
Yeah.
back here now?
He's talking about ADT adjusted.
Yeah.
Get
Because
out
that
of here,
supports near
ADT adjusted.
150. Because that supports 150. No,
That
around.
someone did say someone is breathing into the mic very
Yeah.
heavily. I think that is LTW,
My
but
bad.
I know you have to talk quieter.
Is that better?
Ooh, more lightning strikes.
Is this better?
Yeah, that's better.
Good.
But yeah, I do think we might wake up to be
Gavin, in like
surprised.
a week you can probably test it.
What?
The website.
Oh, you could just send it over to me and I can test it.
That convection though, yikes.
How do I test it? Did you send it over, Chrissy?
I said in a week.
I
Yeah.
is still drying out rapidly right now. 19.53. And it has shrunk. Does anyone know the size of it?
Oh, in a week? Oh, I thought you said. Oh, my bad. But yeah, I'm happy to test it out with Typhoon Dolphin.
So, yeah, LTW, what's your opinion on the name for the next Westpac?
Typhoon Dolphin.
Like the name, or what
The
it's gonna
name is
do,
going to be Dolphin.
right? But what are you trying to say? What it's gonna do?
No, what do you
Or
what
No.
what do you think of the name?
okay, sure.
Do you think the name is kind of
I
funny, weird, interesting?
no, I don't really have anything.
It's just we're not used to animal names like dolphin. At this point, just put fish in the naming list.
Hey, Weather Kingdom,
Yeah.
can you do me a massive favor?
Yes.
Can you add this spot?
A bot.
Yeah.
To what?
Look at
It's
look
my
at
server,
General. Oh yeah, can you
not
add
his.
this? Yeah. Can you add this? Okay.
Also, Weather Kingdom,
Yeah.
you should add like a mod sign up page. I think LTW you'd be great at moderating because you can. I think LTW would be a great moderator if he wanted to be one.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I don't know about me,
Slash.
but maybe Tropical Surge as well, maybe.
We'll
But
see.
LTW, I think he's better, and he's still great. But
Oh my
Let me just
gosh.
see. Let me just see something. What is it? Oh yeah, Cyclone. Alrighty.
or maybe a suggestions page where like you
Holy
say
crap, this
um,
CDO is so huge.
Guys,
yeah.
can I just say this? In in the NHC advisory, the recent advisory, Latest objective intensity estimates from UW Sims range from 126 to 142 knots. The TAFB subjective Dvorak satellite intensity estimate is T6.5 or 127 knots. Based on these values and latest satellite trends, the current intensity is increased. All right, we know that. But yeah, so it's a range between 126 to 142 knots, according
Guys,
to
drunken.
NOAA. No, I meant according to the NHC Advisory 11.
Interesting.
Drunk. Out to 17 nautical miles. Less than I
Wait,
thought.
check my screen share, Gavin. I must show you my website.
Let me see.
I'm not gonna show it on the streamer website because that's not
He's
me.
showing it to me.
All right.
That's okay.
That convection is doing so well. That CDO is so beautiful.
You ain't screen sharing, Christy. You ain't.
No.
What?
No.
Oh, now you are.
I am.
What LTW?
Just look in general and that would tell you.
In what?
Oh, general. In this general chat.
Oh. What?
Is that if don't show the viewers this.
I'm not. Wow.
12.
When was this?
No, this is right now. This is
Let's hope not. That'll be very bad.
I was not say much.
12 point. Oh wait, no, 14.
It could be. I mean, it's really starting to look like a Milton.
Whoa.
But bigger eye. Bigger eye.
Ooh. Wait a minute. Hold on, I gotta get search. See if this could be supportive.
If he.
You like it, Gavin.
Let me see. Oh, actually, I like it.
All right, you guys, the 0Z West Pack is out. West Pacific. 0Z icon. Let's see the number 12. It had it becoming a 905 millibars on 18Z. 0Z already is running 1 millibar stronger. 3 millibars strong.
To transfer from satellite to microwave, you do have to change filters.
899 millibars on August 3rd with the Westpac.
JS,
system.
because of my sources, sorry.
Damn. You know what's really worrying me? That icon is very close to some islands. The Northern Marine Islands. And for some reason, the icon's been more on the west track. But it shows an 899
No.
millibars.
It's an outlier, I think.
Not the NMI.
What? Oh. We'll have to wait and see on that, but yeah. One big thing
The
I'm
NMI
also...
needs a break.
One big thing is also I'm looking at the potential rainfall across Northeast. A lot of rain. A bit of a nor'easter scenario with some severe weather and really just nasty weather. The NAM does show 6 to 8 inches across eastern and northern Pennsylvania into northern New Jersey, like Sussex. But look at the R gem here. Another really worrying sign showing that severe weather comes in, and then look at that secondary line of thunderstorms, and then just a rotating low. I mean, let's hope that does not happen
Gavin
because
wanna see a cool feature.
the 18Z did have about 2 to 4 inches of rain across this storm. So definitely would be flood watches. Icon, let's see what it shows. Just for the fun of it, see if it has rise. It shows that, and then okay, and then it does rotate. But
I have a microwave GENEVIEVE generator.
Well, I mean, Weather Kingdom, it is supposed to. It's a cyclone. It's supposed to rotate.
No, I'm talking about the low pressure.
Yeah,
a
it's
nor'easter.
supposed to rotate.
Yes, I
Yeah,
know,
it's a
but
nor'easter.
bringing a lot of rain. Yes, I know what you mean. What are you showing? Nonchalant. Let's see your stream. I have it on here.
It's his website.
Oh, that's actually not a bad website.
It has a microwave GIF generator. He's gonna get done in like a week or so. Why is the banding, like a lot of the banding starting to dissipate? Well, not dissipate, but like that huge banding part, like just going. Hold on, let me show you what I mean. All this right here.
I cannot see your screen, but
Oh, you can't? I'm screen sharing now.
Dappy is acting up.
Mm-hmm.
Use tidbits.
That's secondary. I mean, the banding's still doing very good.
Try and use cyclonic.
I like the tidbits satellite imagery better. I like it because it looks better and to me and more appealing.
Yeah, fair.
Really?
Fair.
Yeah.
BTWM gonna change to an HC instead of JTWC track later, but the JTWC track source was easier.
Yeah, but I don't like how the eye is. They show too much cloud cover in the eye when in reality it's not that much.
Small.
Wait, let me look at the water vapor quickly. And what?
No, you are not doing this, Fausto. You are not doing this, Fausto.
What? No.
ADT supports 100 knots or 97.2 to be specific.
No.
How?
Pressure.
There's nothing there.
There's no eye.
I'm not even kidding.
It's on something.
Did Ed take crack?
Okay,
It's a tropical storm.
Here,
Mid.
I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah, but I don't believe in Fausto.
ADT is on
We don't
something.
need to see it. We will probably see.
Oh my goodness. What
This
is it doing?
Fausto.
Ed is on GFS
Just give
juice.
up on it. And weakening flag on. Like,
Yeah.
where did it weaken from?
What's it doing?
What?
Embedded center cloud region. Interesting. I don't understand.
They're on something.
Dapia is still out. Oh, wow.
By the way,
that's
no,
beautiful.
this is Fausto.
And
Yeah, I've
Fausto
seen
looks like a
Fausto.
tropical storm.
Wait a minute, we have an Indian Ocean invest, or is my website's map breaking?
That's been there for like the entire day.
Yeah, I think it's a TD.
Yeah, it looks like a TD.
Yeah,
TD to TS.
yeah.
For some reason, it had Fausto in Australia yesterday, so I didn't know.
What?
Oh. What?
It's funny.
My map a bit broken.
We can tell.
A bit broken.
Yeah, you
Looks
can
to
No,
me
it's
like
good.
it's doing a
It's good.
structural
Also, don't
change.
mind Ram Satellite having Ket to Fausto in the PNW.
Let's look at 12. Oh, more convection firing. Wonderful.
Where?
12. Wait, they call it TC?
What?
That was Cyclone 12.
Wait,
The
what?
business is
It's a-
calling it
It's a
TS.
TD.
Happy
Jarvis looking-
birthday to you. I'm
Yeah. J-May
starting
calls
to
it a
lose
TD.
my head now. And the satellite imagery.
I'm glad it didn't get named Lala or numbered before 180. I don't want a Cat 5 named Lala.
My bad, got
This
Yeah.
are my website showing Fausto in Australia.
Oh my goodness.
What is worse?
Fausto in Antarctica.
Yeah.
Or Genevieve in Antarctica. That's better. I do wonder if we just teleport all the clouds from Genevieve and just turn it in, like, put it right next to
I
Antarctica.
love when a college website satellite breaks and puts a cat to in Oregon.
What are we doing?
Oh,
I'm gonna get off now because I want to be hanged to bed. But yeah,
alright, see ya.
Saya
See ya.
Gavin.
GFS is running.
Yeah, I see.
How about the hurricanes? Oh, well, what you know? H-Wharf shows a 987 impacting India.
What? On what?
H-Wharf.
H-Wharf with what storm?
The
Oh.
only storm of the Bay of Bengal.
Oh, I didn't even see that. What? There. That storm doesn't even look real. It's making landfall right now.
No, it's actually offshore. I believe.
It's about to make a landfall.
It's so weird, these types of storms.
Okay. Hurricane models, Weather Kingdom, you will love Fausto in your what?
Hmm?
Eye is still shrinking, Justin said. If the eye is still shrinking and drying out and convection blowing up, we got an issue, Houston.
Oh, wait. I didn't even notice. 93B is a medium chance of development.
Oh.
Well. How about that?
Convection continues to develop. It's looking good
Oh.
overall.
What? Oh my.
What?
This is 92 This is 92C or 12W. I have it up.
Oh, I'm not even sharing your screen. Dude, now I shrunk a lot. Let's quickly re-update this. Oh,
Weather Kingdom.
yeah.
Look at my screen. This is 92C or 12W.
I mean,
Wait.
I can't even tell.
I may have just gotten Spaghetti models.
Oh, really?
It took me forever to find sources for this, bro.
From what? From, what storm?
LTW, I mean, for my website. I'm making a website.
Oh my god, Dapia is back up. For the moment. And holy flippy clipsies.
Bro, why is Dapia always going down?
Oh, we just got another blow up of convection.
Yeah.
Looks like, close to negative A4, A5 on 92C or 12W.
Ooh.
I'ma go to thy bathroom.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting us know.
See ya.
There's new lightning strikes in the new blow up of convection around the IWAD. Interesting. That means a very strong
Why is there so much pink?
pink.
Where do you see pink?
There's no pink on the CDO.
On the other one. The other one.
The windy.com? That's just red.
No, the odor storm.
The older
Oh,
storm.
yes, I know what he's talking about. 92C.
Other.
This one?
Oh.
Yay.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's a bit
that's-
of
That's a VHT.
yeah.
But kind of looking at channel.
How does A Invest have a VHT?
Because it can.
10 millibars in the MDR. Someone said something may try and head in the directions of Texas and Louisiana.
Whoa.
We may have watched the
Okay, BRB.
Wait.
Someone said that on the chat.
But yeah, before you speak anymore, I would not say anything just yet until something gets marked.
Exactly.
Right? So don't say, "Oh, there's gonna be a hurricane."
I'm not saying that. I'm
No,
reading what
I'm
the
not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
Oh.
I'm just saying. I'm just talking. Don't just say, "Oh, there's gonna be a TC that's gonna hit Texas." When is it gonna hit Texas? Is it within 5 days? Is it within 7 days? Is it within 10 days? How strong? Where? And will it support? All these factors have to line up.
Correct.
If it's above 10 days, you could keep an eye on it, but don't expect anything, but don't be surprised. If it's above 15 days, just forget about it. Just don't even, just laugh it off.
Good morning, CDO. You continue to get better and better. Let's see your eye temp, buddy. You
Also, good.
are at almost 18. You're still drying out with the CDO. You're doing a very good job.
Also, good morning to me because it's 12:10.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
good
so who
morning.
was Tom about the MDR when I left?
Some people.
Yeah. It's so dry there though, and there's so much shear.
I mean, conditions are improving some, but
Like what? What conditions are improving?
well, shear is supposed to decrease.
Oh, all right. To end this thing here, have they flown any hurricane hunters into it yet? They will not. Okay. Yep. Thank you for replying. Let's take a look at the Atlantic for
I
example.
mean, I don't think the MDR will do anything either.
Let's take a look at the 12Z European ensembles and nothing for the most part. A few things off the southeast coast, but that's been showing. The European AI, okay. Something out in the main development region down. Not really anything. Kind of the same looks of yesterday, with some ensembles showing some random develop. The AI models showing like 3 squiggly lines, one in the Gulf, one coming off the South Carolina's coast, and then one looping towards Bermuda, and then one in the main development region. And then the other AI model, yeah, really nothing, you guys. GEFS, a little bit of signal in the East Coast area, but nothing too major as of this moment. Nothing that alarms me as I
Lol.
have to make an update.
It just needs to keep firing VHTs. Why did it stop?
What?
I'm talking about the storm right now. Why'd it stop firing VHTs?
Which storm?
Genevieve? What storm did you think I was talking about?
I'm tired. I don't know.
By the way, it's jogging almost due westward. Which is bad.
Yeah.
If people ask why, so the model, is there people asking why?
No, not right now.
Okay. Let me know if they ask why, because I know what I'm gonna say.
No, not right now.
This thing could, I, this thing could do really well. The worst thing that it could do is do a merger.
Or an eyeball replacement cycle.
Well, yeah, but a merger, it would keep its thing, keep it intact to make the structure more pronounced.
A Merc wouldn't really be terrible.
Well, I'm talking about what? It'll be great for the storm. It'll be great for the storm. You won't have to worry about that. Trying to wrap back up.
Mercs are good for a storm because they don't brutally kill the inner eye wall.
Right. because it's called merger, because the outer eye wall feeds does a feeder band instead, because the inner is so strong.
Let me take a look at the lightning quickly. Let's before I.
Right, here we go. Okay, you just took off.
Okay, in a min and a half I will know if I got working spaghetti models.
Your law strikes.
That
Good
was at the
news for this.
worlds. I'm looking at the worlds.
Oh. Why? Sounds like a beat.
Yeah, I was just thinking about that. Oh yeah.
Interestingly, nothing happening. Oh, whoa. Why is there some, like, on the outer areas? It's very scattered.
Yeah. I'm just questioning, is this gonna ever make a pink CDO?
I think you can. Yeah, it's a chance.
Brains.
I think it's really trying.
Yes. It W or KKSSS.
I need to go quickly get some food.
Let's go.
Ooh, look at that. More lightning in the eye. I'm gonna get some more lightning. Oh gosh. I'm gonna get some food, so I'm gonna stay on the stream. I'm just gonna let this satellite play. Only if LTW wants to take over for a little bit.
I'm just gonna kind of jog around, like look at 92C, or 12 West,
Yeah, so I'm gonna show your
Genevieve.
screen then to the
No,
chat
I'm
here.
jogging around. I'm kind of jogging around.
Alright, then I'll
You don't
keep
have
the
to show.
satellite going on this storm. Yeah. Can you hear me?
By the way, 12 is doing a really good job. I won't be surprised if I see a tropical storm tomorrow, or when I wake up, in my opinion.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're good.
OTW wanna see my website?
Sure. Hmm, pretty cool.
Alright, welcome back, Sky Kingdom's weather. I hope everyone's doing well right now. I am back. I did have to go eat and stuff, so I am sorry that I was doing that all right now. Officially, we have now been live for 3 hours tonight. We are once again streaming a lot, and also we are dealing with a bit amount of strengthening going on still. The latest stuff that I do have, we do have hurricane models coming out. We do have all that, and currently we are now at a raw of 7 and a 920.7 millibars. So it's still strengthening as of this current moment. Doesn't seem like there is no signs of any slowing down. If anything, looks like there is a bit of an increase on the lightning. So that is very important there. Now, another question is, how is the dry air? And it looks like the dry air is continuing to dry out. So it actually looks like we are getting into better. We are now at the lowest. We are at a 17, still rapidly organizing, you guys. So I continuing to, it's honestly could be also strengthening. We could be looking at a pinhole high any moment, you guys. And truly just, I mean, it is just hard to believe, you guys. It is truly hard to believe that the eye is clearing out even further. Convection is fully wrapped around. Perfect CDO right now. And, I mean, this is a beauty of a storm. This is no doubt, you guys, of a beauty of a storm. This has truly done the unthinkable. And I honestly say Cat 5 by the morning at this given point. Genevieve does have it as a 9:38 weakening, and it has it strengthening by 8 a.m. and keeping its strength through tomorrow afternoon on half speed. Genevieve here has it initializing out as half A at 935 millibars, so it's still coming in weak. HMON 921 millibars, and then gradually going up. So the hurricane models ain't doing the greatest in this, but we will have to continue to keep an eye out on that. 12 is coming out, you guys, and we do see a 12 on the East Pack. So we're going to be live for live tropical depression 12. Yeah, so we're going to be live for that. We're also going to be live for the continuing of the improvements on the eye here. It looks like every frame we are dropping drier and drier. We're at 17.2. What's the potential landing zone? Very symmetrical CDO for sure, though. I will give it that. It's continuing to pronounce a very organized CDO for sure. Zoom Earth. Gulfport was blessed on how we barely missed Bertha. Yeah. My question is, are we going to see any pink convection develop? And is the lightning going to get any more rapid on this? Hello? Yeah. The eye is at its driest in a while. What do you guys think? Hello. Nice to see you guys joining in here right now. Yeah, that eye is doing very pronounced here, drying out even further. I am interested if it's going to go for a pink CDO. I haven't seen any signs in the last hour of any pink CDO trying to form, so right now it doesn't look like any pink CDO will form as of this given moment.
Hi.
Hello. Currently looking for some lightning in the eye. There's some lightning strikes, same amount as before. The eye is at its driest it has been since the beginning. We are now almost at 16, continuing to dry out with a shrinking eye. So the eye looks like, the structure of the eye looks, it probably won't be a pink CDO, maybe at D max. We'll have to wait and see on that. There's scattered pinks in the CDO, be honest with you. There is scattered. Like right here in the latest frame, there is a little bit of pink showing up. I am interested with the eye rapidly drying still. I do wonder if there is going to be a sign of a pink CDO that's going to try and wrap. That is the first sign of pink in the last hour. So I do wonder if that is a sign of a potential pink CDO coming, because if the eye is still drying out with no eyeball replacement cycles and National Hurricane Center saying this will continue to strengthen, actually, we actually went up to...
Are you there?
Yes, I am. Oh, hello, I'm sorry. I had it muted on here, my fault. The eye is now at 18.81, has moistened up just a tad bit. We were just at 17.2, and now it just came up in the last few frames. We'll see how the eye continues to go, but that was 17.2 was the lowest so far. So we continue to get lower. We're getting closer and closer to worse. I mean, latest frames on IR looks very concerning with the eye. Very dried out eye continues to show. Yeah. It's gonna fluctuate like that, exactly.
Oh yeah, you back. Can you screen share?
Yes.
Bro, what? Why can I not hear the bot?
I don't know, I can hear the bot.
Bro, what? Can you hear the bot?
YESSSS.
WTVIG.
Nah. 12 on the hurricane models are coming out. We're at a 991 in the next 33 hours, would have to say. Halves B has nothing yet. H-bond nothing, and interesting.
Hi.
Can you hear me? I can hear you. Hello? Alright. Welcome back, Sky Kingdom's weather. I think everyone went to bed. Yeah, it is very tiring, you guys. I mean, it is 1:02 in the morning. I don't blame why. That has not updated, so... Alright. Yep, I hear you guys. I know, I'm getting a little tired too myself.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear it?
Yes. Yes, I can.
I'ma get off anyway. Saya.
Alright, adios.
Hello.
Hey, LTW. Ooh, this CDO is beautiful.
hmm
Any new microwave imagery or no?
Haven't looked. Let me check. Excuse me. Nope. Nope. No new microwave. You hear what I said?
Yeah, I heard what you said. Yeah. Phew. Currently looking at some things right now.
Okay.
What?
I said okay.
It's just crazy how there's no eyewall replacement cycle signs.
I don't think it's that crazy. Doesn't look like it'll do one.
I mean, I guess. Whoa. I thought I'm seeing stuff.
Well, what were you seeing?
No, I thought I started seeing some. Okay, no, the eye is still doing that. Good CDO, I mean. Oh, there's a lightning strike on the southern side. There. Dorak still hasn't updated.
Dvorak. Dvorak.
Dorak.
Not Dorak. Dvorak.
Four. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That eye is really, really interesting. I mean that eye currently right now on measurements still about 17 miles. Going either way. And then the other way is probably like 20. Why would it do this to me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, my fault. I'm just playing around with the measuring thing now. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Let's take a look there. Pros and cons, someone asked. That's some good work you're doing, Mother Kingdom. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Melody. Thank you. I know I'm doing some good work. I'm drawing a little bit. What's going on? Nothing much.
Can I see? Can you
Oh,
share your screen?
I deleted it, but I can share it now.
Oh,
I was just playing around with the measuring tool.
oh, okay. It's, it just keeps going a bit more westward.
Yeah, I do notice that too there. Ooh. Dvorak is the same, sevens all around.
If it keeps jogging west, it'll just it'll stay in favorable conditions for longer.
Correct.
Just a shame that I can't do that.
Yeah, I know, right?
I mean, even so, it has to move south if it wants to get into even better conditions. It can't. Unless just a massive ridge just blows up.
That's 99.9% unlikely.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes it's just cool looking at these storms. But you know what's going to potentially be better? Look at later in the future?
What?
Dolphin.
Yeah.
Dolphin's going to
uh,
be absolutely a menace. Ooh, what's the latest GFS showing on Dolphin? I know it was more westward, a lot more. Let's see. Okay, so it's showing a category 5 in the next 3.5 to 4 days. Then, you're why? Look at the trend. Whoa.
Whoa.
Why are you trending
Wait,
south like this? 903 millibar. Oh.
Make a GIF. Make a GIF. Make a trend GIF.
901 millibars. That's stronger by 5 millibars from the GFS. It's been trending stronger and way more south. Oh, so what the? Wow. What the? Please don't do this. Please chill out. GFS, please be careful on what you're trying to do. Please don't be doing this, buddy. Very scary look right there. And classic Canadian. Classic Canadian just going all over. Eye is shrinking again, but drying out. Holy crap, that eye. That eye just keeps on shrinking. But it's drying out further. I wonder if there's no sign? Wow. We have to be careful because. Alright, I'm going to bed. Have a good rest of your stream. Thank you very much. I don't see any signs of anything. I just see signs of a smaller eye continuing to develop. Probably meaning that the winds are getting stronger. I wonder what the door rack is gonna. The door rack.
The floor. The. You'll get it.
All a 7 right now. 920 millibars. 140 knots. Yep. So Cat 5 hurricane currently. I want to see if that does strengthen or go down a little bit. It goes off by the satellite estimates, and right now it shows a classic Cat 5. That should have been a Cat 5, but yeah. I'll probably be streaming a little bit more than I was thinking about maybe leaving the stream on, with a brand new stream and do a satellite thing. Maybe because if I do 1 hour from now, that will be 4 hours and 27 minutes. That'll be 2. Because I don't want to go too long into the stream where then when I go to bed, I need to worry about waking up early and ending the stream and restarting it. That eye getting more round and smaller and clearing out. Interesting, oh, interesting. Let's look at Cyclone 12. Continues to steady intensify. Getting its act together, though. That's for sure. Definitely getting its act together. Don't worry, Herf has it at a 957 millibars in the next 42 hours. Interesting. Oh, they're going into Fasto again. We'll see what it comes out with. I forgot about that. Fasto looks stupid. I don't even know how it's even alive at this point. It has to be weaker. There's no way it's a hurricane anymore. If it is a hurricane, it's one of the ugliest hurricanes I've seen in a while.
Agreed.
It is, I would say it is probably a category 5. It's just they don't do advisories like that. I personally think they should, but it's the National Hurricane Center. You cannot stop them. They do what they want, so yeah. I am thinking about maybe ending the stream soon because I need to get some rest. I am losing my eyes. We are at 19.1. 61. That eye continues to shrink. Eyewall replacement cycle, anyone? Anyone knows?
No.
No, really? We're going to probably be looking at this when we are looking at the typhoon, you guys. Potentially another look of this. But a Westpac version. Ugh. Those Westpacs, I swear. There's a little bit of a moat on satellite right here. I've been noticing it throughout the last couple hours that it keeps deforming right around on this quadrant. But at the same time, the eye keeps shrinking. So I don't see any significant lightning. Man, oh well, okay. Few more lightning strikes. Especially on that northern side where that moat is. We are probably nearing peak intensity, maybe?
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Who just joined?
It's Mike, but I changed my username because
Hmm?
what hurricane center are you supposed to use for like the Western Pacific and like the Indian Ocean?
JTWC. Um, Indian Ocean, I don't know, but Western Pacific is JTWC.
All right, thank you.
But sometimes they're a bit shortened. Like, they're very conservative. So sometimes you gotta make your own estimates. You gotta try and
Yeah.
make them believable. You gotta try and make them believable.
So you said the JTWC?
hmm Joint Typhoon Warning Center.
Let me check that.
I'll be back. In 1 second.
Oh my gosh, this is a little confusing. They need to get a more reliable, not necessarily reliable, but consistent agency out there. Is it the one for the Navy? Or no? Because I'm using the CNMOC USFF Navy page.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you still there?
Yeah. So do I use the CNMOC for the JTWC? Like the military page?
I don't exactly know.
Oh, okay.
Let's take a look, you guys. West Pacific. All right. Okay. Wow. A lot of the European ensembles on Tropical 12 is much more west and south. On
What
the
is
8,
the potential but also expected maximum intensity of it?
right now, 155, it's too early to call anything, but could make a run for a sub 900.
I wouldn't be
Um,
too surprised, honestly.
that's becoming reality now every day, I feel. Feel like that's
Mhm.
becoming a new normal.
Yeah,
But
it's crazy.
at 120.
Did you see El Nino is pushing potentially 16 degrees above?
Yup, I've seen that. By the way, we are live also, by the way.
Oh, you're live?
Yeah, I am.
I gotcha.
Interesting.
I really like. I wonder if we could be looking at like 20 up to 20 degrees above average. If it were to get that intense, I think this,
Oh yeah,
I
by
think
the way,
this is, go ahead.
sorry to cut you off.
Very good.
Boston looks like a freaking um what's it called? MCV.
Hmm.
Ah,
Is Fausto a tropical storm yet?
No, it's a hurricane.
Oh, let me look.
85 85 knots at that.
Uh, okay. Damn, dude, Hawaii's gonna get wildfires. The rainfall's all on like the more of northern side of Fausto. There is some deeper
they
rainfall.
have recon going into it.
Yeah, It's just like almost any time there's a tropical system that goes south or north of Hawaii, if it doesn't directly hit them and it's as close to the coast as it is, it's going to cause some wildfires. That's what we saw 3 years ago. Like, got really bad. Let's just hope for the best, because
Okay, I'm back. I was dealing with bathroom. You guys there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was wondering what you guys think of Genevieve possible 155 peak.
Not or mile.
Say, oh no, I'm saying I'm seeing Genevieve have a 155 peak.
Right.
I think
Not a
it'll hit.
mile. Not a mile.
I think it'll hit Cat 5, honestly.
Is Cat 5, in my opinion.
I can see
It-
it peaking at 1.
Oh, it's in. It's expected to hit 160 now.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, Genevieve is expected to hit 160.
I think, yeah, that is.
This means Trevor needs to stop questioning the weather psychic here because the fuck.
All right, we are live, by the way.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were live streaming.
Yeah, I'm gonna be ending it soon.
Yeah.
Hey, if anybody wants to help me make my first YouTube video, David was supposed to, but he hasn't gotten back to me this evening, so.
Yeah. And I'm focusing on my channel stuff because I'll be getting one of my vehicles street legal as early as Wednesday, and looks like I got storms possible not long after, so there might be some storm chasing involved.
Nice.
Not expecting much because it's basic just summer pulse storms that don't really do much. But it's perfect for getting the rust out before going into tornado season.
Yep.
I'll give you my
Because-
Chevy S10.
Yeah. But as
I
I
think-
said, yeah, Genevieve, once the fact it's actually forecast to 160, I said watch it peak at 160, and Trevor said no, that is not happening. The water's not ready for that. And here we are.
The water,
By the
damn
way-
ready, bro. Shot
By the
through.
way, get
Yeah.
this. If basically every single agency supports Cat 5. AET supports Cat 5.
The thing is, I didn't even look at models beforehand. I just saw, oh, Genevieve, what, watch that go Cat 5, and then here the frick we are.
Yeah. Nothing
Oh.
new.
I
Yeah, it's just called being a psychic.
I
It
think it
happens.
could push 165 if it. That's a bit of a stretch, but I think it's possible.
Well, I did say, well, yeah, I was saying 160 Cat 5.
If it slows down, give or take 5-ish miles an hour, I think it could make a run for 165.
I could see that, but
Weren't they forecasting an enhanced risk of severe weather today?
Yeah. Literally,
What?
like nothing happened. So
I wonder when my next round of severe weather is going to be.
Florida has just had. Florida has extremely high Cape. Just, I mean, yeah, I will not. I'm not gonna say not enough convection because if you saw yesterday, convection was extremely intense.
Okay, mix of potential unpredictability to low for the 4 to 8. I'm in a general thunderstorm risk for day 3. So I'm not ruling out something there. And day 3, that would actually put me on the day where I get my vehicle street legal. But we'll see how things go, because it's the one that has a nasty oil leak that needs fixed. That'll be able to get street legal first. This has a cleaner title. And in-state title too, so I don't have to deal with inspections. But Weather Kingdom, I was thinking, actually, yeah, Weather Kingdom and whoever this guy is, Weather Frontier. I was thinking for when I do the storm chasing again, and considering my track record of being getting close to death, I was thinking for any future chases that I do full-blown videos for, and do get close to death, I was thinking put the climax of the video, or like the most dangerous part of the video, as like a snippet of that in the front of the video, followed immediately of like few hours prior or day prior or something like that, as like a way to hook people into it.
Yeah, yeah.